Hey guys, today we're talking about how keyword research can lead you to good product ideas and make your life easy. Let's get started. So welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Farah. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So today's episode is about keywords, and I'm starting a new series called Understanding Amazon. Let me know in comments below, should I call it Understanding Amazon or Understanding Amazon 101? I like the second option. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you guys want to work with me, join my membership on Patreon, select the level that's relevant to you, and I will see you there. You can also email me at hello@farahfinds.com. But today's episode is about keywords, and generally I want to talk about, what is sales rank, what is a good Amazon product page looks like, why you should know these things, what is a BSR, what is an ASIN, all these terms. These are Amazon terms, and you should really know when somebody mentions this, what are they talking about, so that you really understand the platform, because you want to become a seller on this platform, and then you should master it. You should really know these things like the back of your hand, because once you really understand these things well, your reliance on a product research software lessens, because you can see those things anyway. Like, you should be able to use these data points, put yourself in the customer's shoes, and really see that what really decides it for the customer. Why do they choose product A over product B? Because there are so many similar kind of products being sold on Amazon, and really understand the differences. Most of the time it's the main image that really does the job. An average user, a customer, spends somewhere around 6 minutes on Amazon's website before they make a purchasing decision and leave. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't miss out the next few episodes, because I'm going to be talking in depth about these small things, but they do make a big impact, and they matter, and they make your life easy. So you don't want to miss out on those next episodes. So what is a keyword? Basically, an Amazon keyword is called a search term. Amazon, that's the word they use for it, and everywhere else on the internet is called a keyword. So really knowing your keyword is very important, because keywords not only help you sell your product, they also help you find a good product idea too. And this is what I'm going to demonstrate in today's video. So make sure you watch it till the end, so you get the full value and you don't miss out. I know it's only about 10 minutes or so of your time, but it's really important you understand this, because your product research will become very easy using this method. So let's get straight into it. Right, guys, so here we are. So I'm just starting with a random keyword. The idea is that you need to be able to find a possible product idea using the keyword as your starting point. So let's just say we type in kitchen. Now it's showing you, the suggested keywords or search terms that are highly researched or searched by customers on Amazon. So you can see the amount of searches done per month. So 90,500, then 60,500. And interestingly, this little chart actually gives you the breakdown for the previous 12 months of the search. What was the data? So this is so cool. And I'm getting this by, Keywords Everywhere tool that I recommend for using, trying to dig out keywords to find product ideas. So you get this. So let's look at this. Kitchen towels really has search term. Look at the kitchen knives search term data. So it tells you, like, towards November, December, and January, the search terms, it goes really high, like 110,000 searches per month, and then, so on and so forth. So this item, kitchen knives, goes really high in search. So let's just look further into this. And look, this tool, Keywords Everywhere, the tool I'm using to get all these keywords and stats and everything out is Keywords Everywhere. And you buy credits. It's a paid thing, so I buy credits for it. And basically your credits, you can buy about 100,000 credits for £10. So I've got about this much left, and I've mostly used them to search for keywords on Amazon. I just love it. because most of the times, like sometimes you don't even know what to put in the search to actually look for a product. And these keywords give you the idea that, okay, this is a fairly good search volume here. Let me go further into this. So like I said, we're looking further into this. And every time this pops up, it counts against your search. So now it's showing me that kitchen knives Japanese style. They have 9,900 searches per month. I don't even know what that is. I have no idea. So let's look at the search trend for this. And again, September, October, November, December is the peak months. And funnily enough, so is April and May. Same amount of searches happening on Amazon per month for this. So it's really cool. So let's go down this rabbit hole. And it's giving you another search to find keywords for kitchen knives Japanese. So you can actually look up further keyword report in here. That's 7, 9, 10. It's loading the keyword data for kitchen knives in Japanese, 12% complete. So we'll just let it run on the side and I'll show it to you in a minute. But let's just look like, what are these Japanese style kitchen knives? Right. So it's a whole different kind of product happening. And I've got Jungle Scout running. So it's giving me all of this, this is called the main category. So home and kitchen is the main category or main niche, main department, and chef's knives are like the sub niche or like a category within home and kitchen. And you can see that's number 200 in the chef's knives and this much in home and kitchen. But really, this is how you view it as a seller looking for information. But as a consumer, you don't see any of this data. People would just see, so the first 4 results are sponsored. So these are sponsored ones. And a lot of them are FBAs. Let's have a look. Oh, it's FBA. All right. These are some sort of specialized knives that are popular. So 8 daily sales and 19 daily sales. And you can see the price points are quite high on this. So it's sort of like a luxury product. This is $24.97. Okay. So you can see there's a lot of FBA sellers in there that you can see. And there's a lot of different types, like the knives look quite different. They don't all look the same. So that's a good thing. Let's just see if this is uploaded now. Okay, 100% complete. So I found another 22 Amazon keywords found for kitchen knives in Japanese. So these are all the different keywords. Some of them don't have a CPC, which is cost per click, I think. But you can see the search volumes are kitchen knives Japanese, Japanese kitchen knives set, best kitchen knives Japanese. And they all have this bid, a $1.52 bid per click. So it's quite high and it's highly searched. So this is good piece of data that you should, you can copy over, download in CSV, PDF print, or, however you want to save this data, because then you can use this data to run your ads and you will know exactly what to target for. So there are 2 main uses of the keywords on Amazon's platform. As a seller, you add keywords, search terms in the back end of your listing. And that's usually happens in the Seller Central. When you're creating a listing, you add some search terms in there to help the algorithm decide what is your product about. And the other use of the keywords is as, for ranking purposes, when you run ads on those keywords, like, for example, in today's episode, we are using the word kitchen knives. And so do you want to rank for that very narrow keyword, or do you want to rank for a long tail keyword? So this is what I mean when I say that the keywords, understanding it is really important, because they help you, find a good product idea, and they also help you sell it for PPC purposes. You will need to download this app called Keywords Everywhere that I use to find good keywords. And the link for that will be in the description below. So any product idea you start liking as a seller that I'm going to pursue, it's very important that you put yourself in the customer's shoes and start seeing that what would drive a customer's purchasing decision, especially on different devices. How does, which competitor listing you like on desktop, which one appears better on mobile, how it works. Choose one or two that are like your favorite. You're basically trying to find a benchmark for yourself that, okay, this is the sort of quality of a listing I want, photography I want. This is the sort of, product I'm going to go for. It's really important to understand it from the customer's point of view too, because if you don't understand that, you'll have a hard time trying to pitch it to the customer, and your ad spend might really go high because you didn't get a good grasp of this at the time of, product research stage. Try to think like the customer and think which one would they buy. And if you were the customer, you were the consumer for that particular product, which one would you buy without any emotions as a seller? If you want to learn more about product research, watch this video. It will be linked in the description and in the cards above. And if you want to know about my new FBA product, it's also on my channel. It will be linked in the description and the cards above. So guys, this is it for today. Make sure you like this video and share. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Lots of good stuff coming your way to help you in your product research journey. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.